My God, you don't even understand the chaos in.
Man, I think my legs are shaking.
Right now.
My hand's shaking.
Why is your hand shaking? It's not that scary.
And then you just hear this fucking can moving around.
Whoa.
This can's coming towards us. James, we've got to go film the lights.
I'm filming the lights, Goran, trust me. It's fine.
No, the light over there, film that.
Yeah, the lights are flashing on and off, and it's Helen.
It's fucking
Helen
red,
jealous.
dudes.
It's fucked up.
I might never get to see my meat
Whoa. Goran, seriously, don't say that.
Seriously, she's fit though. James, I think we should go in the middle of the park.
Jesus Christ, man, this is just insane. The amount of thunders. Is the park on fire? Is any of the parts of the park on fire?
Did you get
Whoa.
that? Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that.
This is bad, James. The lights are going on and off.
Whoa.
You can't even turn for 1 second without seeing a flash.
All the lampposts are blown. They're all just like completely. There's that one,
Girl.
and there's that one over there that's flashing, but the rest of them are just gone. They've all blown up. I'm fucking.
If I was a pilot,
I'm terrified. I am terrified.
Oh, look at that guy walking the dog. He's not even scared. Look at those people down there walking the dog. Look at that one person down there.
Whoa.
I'm fucking scared.
Are you terrified, Goran?
No, I'm not scared. I'm ready to go fucking do anything.
Why do you have the same shirt as me?
Fuck knows.
You have the same shirt as me, just a different thing, pattern on it.
The 2012 dickhead.
Did you get that from London?
No, I've got it from Nike. Yo, James, I think we should go. Look, people are going down there.
Well, these people are insane, and they're dog walkers, so they have to.
I'll go. I'll take your phone and do it then.
No. Because if you die, my phone dies, and I'm not cool with that. Should we go down there? Oh, that phone.
Let's go have a look down there.
Come on, cruise it though, because I need to keep the camera on.
Cruise it. Cruise it, dude.
Cruise it. Oh, it's gone back on.
No, it's
Yeah. It's not so bad over here. It's over there.
right in the park now, you
Yeah, right in the park with kilos going. There's these ones that are on. Oh, that's just down. I know! Shall we? Yeah, it's like a horror movie. What's that movie called, Goran? The one where that guy gets the superpowers and he builds that Lego thing. And he falls down that hole.
That one?
It's recent.
Skyfall.
No, it's not Skyfall. What? Since when was James Bond a superhero? Should I film over there or down here? It's tricky.
Man, we didn't go
Look,
to
they're all
the
flash.
park.
You're insane, Goran. Seriously, we're not going in the middle of it. Whoa! Whoa, this is like flashing really light. It's gonna blow. Goran, it's gonna blow. That light's gonna blow. Cars, terrifying, coming from all directions. This is like a horror movie. This is horrible. Whoa! I didn't get that. Did I get that?
Dude, we need to hang out more often. Seriously.
Well, I was calling you. This is my tar seeds, innit? I'm gonna be away for 4 days, but I'm my birthday party, so it's cool. Is that a person down there?
Should we do like a geography lesson?
Yeah, it is.
Can I talk about this phenomenon?
Can you talk about this phenomenon?
Right. Basically, people.
Wait, let me just sit down.
So, warm air coming from America, let's say, the cold air.
It's likely to be Jamaica, although.
Yeah.
Or Africa.
Fuck knows where it's come from, but it's come
Calm
from
down,
somewhere.
Mr. Geographer.
Causing a storm. Now, basically, when it hits, it makes like lightning and shit. So now, all these, look, check this light now, yeah? Look, it's gonna go out soon.
That's gonna blow, that is. Look, the one down there that's blowing. Them two have gone. The lightning's still going on. People are terrified. I don't know why these people are walking their dogs down this way. I would go the complete opposite way.
Fuck this shit, man.
I'm sitting down. Oh, my bike. No! I didn't shit. Oh, I'm gonna get the next.
Fucking get that.
I'm gonna get the next one. It's fine. I'm gonna get the next big one. I think
James,
we've already.
we've got to go in the middle of the park.
I think we've got a big one.
James, we have to.
Do you want to die, John? You want to die? Well, I'll go send you to a mental institution then. Do you want me to send you to Switzerland and then you can have that thing? What's it called? What's that thing called?
Lobotomy.
What?
Lobotomy.
What the hell's an lobotomy? The thing where it kills you?
Yeah.
Euthanasia, that's it. Send you to Switzerland to get some euthanasia.
Yeah.
Whoa. I got that. But I want a big one. I want a massive thunderbolt. Whoa!
Did you get that?
Did I get that? That's gonna be the next thing on YouTube.
James, that live on.
Oh, they've all gone.
James, you've got to add me as a contact again.
Oh
I've lost
my
your thing. You've got
God.
to send me these
I'll
videos
get you under a contact on what?
on iMessage.
I ain't got iMessage.
You have on that.
No, I haven't.
Contact on the phone.
What? I'm getting all of
You
this.
can add me as a contact on your phone and then send me the videos.
How do I? I don't have iMessage.
You got a phone, ain't you?
Yeah. I
Add
got
me
that.
as a contact, then you can send me.
So Goran, how are you? How
I'm
you doing?
enjoying this shit, man.
So am I. Whoa, that was winning. I'm really buzzed, and we can stay out as long as we want. It's slightly bright. It's all good. It's all good. Whoa. This is really. What if it moves over here? Do we die?
No, it's going that way, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's going this way.
It's going that way.
No, it's not. It's going this way. No, because if it started off
Let's
over.
see which way the plan.
No, it started off over there, so. Yeah, it is moving that way, sorry. Whoa! I'm getting all of it, man. I take the camera off sometimes to put it on you to learn a geography lesson. But there's my bike. Epic bike. Took my front brake off today. I'm proud of myself. I need to take them pegs off. Alright, I've got about a million things. There's Goran's bike, that's gay. There's Goran, that's gay. Shut Goran. You should get some fresh crepes like mine. Look at them. Look at them fresh crepes. They are piff. I'm not being funny or anything.
James, you fucking missed it! It's massive!
I've got some massive ones, Goran. Calm the hell down. It's a thunderstorm. The bushes are all... Yeah, the light's fused now. It's official. Whoa, I got that. I got that.
Man, I should have brought my iPad.
You'll get it robbed in cello.
Oh, well, if I have it here.
No, you won't. We should jam here more. This should be our new spot. Should we make this our spot? And if we need food or something, we'll go one stop.
Yeah.
And if we need to ride around our bikes, we should ride around the roundabout, which lots of cars are coming by the way. Just hundreds of them. It's just not really good enough. Really nice car, but I don't care. What? Why did Jordan go?
You were saying that this was...
What? Did you see that? It was like as big as my dick. Don't go in, because then you. No, it's cool here. I like it.
Yeah, it's nice. Cars create a nice contrast. Yo, it's getting windy now.
It was always windy, guys.
Film those trees.
That tree has literally fell sideways. That's how strong the wind is.
That was massive.
The trees are just. I'm sorry.
Fucking hell.
Chellaston is
Chellaston is officially a ghost town now.
is in a very bad state of mind. There isn't a car in sight. There's not one down there. It's just dead Chellaston.
It's just me and James.
Yeah, it's just us two. It's just we're not zombies. Everyone else
It's
is.
fucking hardcore.
Do you want to film it, Goran?
Fucking hardcore.
Do you want to take it from now on? Well, I got that. Yeah. That's where my friend used to live. Then he moved to America. I like that house. This is my bike. Whoa!
Did you get that one?
No.
Oh, geez.
Looking at my bike. Sorry. Don't cry. Alright, I'll show you my bike. We don't have to do the entire video. 9 minutes? Alright, this is the end of the video. This is my bike. Beast took the front brake off.
Jeez, shall we go
Tiny
get
thing. And then... No. Alright, see you next time on JJ Games.